Hi guys, I'm Andrea Belt. I'm the marketing coordinator at the Baxter County Library, and we are excited to be partnering with State University Mountain Home to introduce our StoryWalk. It is 16 stations along the Arkansas State University walking trail right here, and it is from the trailhead to the very first rest station. There's 16 stations with pages of the book along with an action card that will help parents and grandparents engage with their children, keep the early literacy flowing, get them excited about learning, and we are just really excited to share this with our community. So if we can get this ribbon cut,
the ribbon.
we will cut the ribbon. Okay.